Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix error on Windows 10 when Windows 10 stops saving run command history on Windows 10 machine. So I will use two methods in this video. First one is built-in settings app and the next one is registry editor. You can use either procedure on your Windows. So let me start with first one, settings app. So first of all, right click on this one start button and select here settings. To open the settings app, then click on this one privacy, then select here general. On the right you will see let Windows track app launches to improve start and search results. Make sure this one toggle switch is turned on to save command history, run command history on Windows 10. The next one procedure is through registry editor. For that, click on this one start button, type registry, click on registry editor, then copy and paste this path from this video description and press enter on the keyboard. On the right you will see a debug, a start underscore track procs. Double click on this one and ensure here value data is set to 1. Then click on the OK button, close the registry editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes. Thank you for watching this video.